What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Special unboxing link for you guys today, and one of my favorite shoes of all time, the Air Max 1. So today we're unboxing the Air Max 1 Susan. Super dope details on this shoe, so scratch all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So, Nike Air, and you see the detailing connected directly to the movie, the missing link, which is coming soon, but the green on green on the box top, of course, with the Nike Air. And throughout the box, you'll see the plaid hit. It runs throughout the entire box, and let's open this one up. And it reads, you can call them Susan. Of course, the Air Max 1 Susan, you can call them Susan. And it has the Nike and Laika detailing right there. The packaging is pretty cool. You can see the blue on blue. Slide this to the side and let me know what you guys think in the comments. But here we have the Air Max 1 Susan. So material story detailing on this is extremely dope. I can show you guys right from the toe box area. You have the white canvas in the toe box area. We have the plaid overlay, which is much like the box that you guys can see. The plaid overlay in the toe box area has the sail colored laces. And this is made to mirror Mr. Link's suit. So Mr. Link is the main character, and of course the missing link. So Euro step from my man Quincy. But we have the Nike Air on the tongue, and it also reads, instead of Air Max, the Max is slashed out, and that reads Susan. So remember, call them Susan. Outer panel, we have this looks like corduroy, but it's actually probably canvas, like a canvas green material here. We have the sail colored swoosh with the embroidery in like a brown color. We have the white overlay just above the midsole, and this is a full leather midsole. That's actually a pretty cool detail on these. Classic Air Max unit right there in the back. Let's turn to the back tab. It reads the Nike Air. And of course with this, what feels like a suede nubuck underlay under the Nike Air. Get to the inner panel of the shoe, it's a little different. We have the burgundy reddish colored swoosh, and of course the green hit again. And one more detail that I didn't call out, the eyelets right there that you guys can see. Eyelets are pretty cool. The laces, I believe, can go through, no, there are no lace holes, so these are just cool eyelets. Let's get to the inner panel of the shoe. It reads the Nike Air, and it has the cork material on the inner panel. Outsole, one of my favorite parts. If you guys are liking and sharing and watching all of our videos now on IGTV, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere, we appreciate it, but you'll know already, I love the gum bottom. So this is a full translucent almost gum bottom throughout. Has the Nike Air detailing towards the heel. So I'll give you guys one last look at one of my favorite releases of 2019, the Air Max 1 Susan. And also, this is not the first time Nike's collaborated with this brand. And these are the Paranorman Foamposites, which is one of the earlier collaborations between Nike and Laika. I believe it's Laika. I don't know if it's Laika, Lakai. Let me know in the comments, because I'm not sure, but this is the earlier collaboration. And of course, we have the Susan, but we have the Paranormans along with the Susans, along with multiple other styles right here at Stadium Goods. And we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. Please make sure you like and share all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, IGTV, all that. We genuinely appreciate you. And last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. Triangle Offense. I am Fresco VK, and salud.